You want to learn graphic designing? Well, here's 7 best graphic designing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Graphic Design Masterclass. Learn Great Design by Udemy. This course provides all that you need to transform yourself from a beginner to an expert in graphic designing. Topics covered in this course are: how to become graphic designer, history of graphic design styles, Adobe Photoshop, intermediate tools, how to give and receive critiques, 10 tips from a pro designer, logo design and branding, Adobe Illustrator, design trends, finding your design niche. You will gain knowledge of typography, color theory, photos, layout, blocking, and other design skills. You will learn to create logos and branding packages for potential customers. You can learn photo editing in Adobe Photoshop. You will get information about yearly design trends. You will come to know about the tools used in graphic designing. This course is for anyone who wants to learn the skill of graphic designing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Graphic Design Bootcamp, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign by Udemy. This course provides you with the best-selling beginner guide. Topics covered in this course are: introduction, making a poster, creating composite image, typography poster, logo design, create a magazine ad, create custom business cards. You will gain a skill set that will enable you to get placed in top companies. You will learn to create logo design including typography and color usage. You will learn to work with Photoshop. You will learn to lay out various kinds of graphic designs. You will learn according to the needs of the clients. This course is for anyone who wants to start a career in graphic designing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Become a Professional Graphic Designer by Udemy. This course provides you all that you need to know to enter into the world of graphic designing. Topics covered in this course are: visual communication fundamentals, building successful layouts, the tools, a career as graphic designer, getting started with Photoshop, resizing and cropping images, retouching and color correcting, drawing shapes and paths. You can master the widely used software in graphic designing. You will learn the principles of graphic designing. You can gain insight into the current graphic designing industry. You will be able to learn visual communication fundamentals. You will learn graphic designs related to Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Acrobat. This course is for aspiring graphic designers. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Graphic Designing End-to-End Professional by Udemy. This course provides you a complete comprehensive guide on graphic designing. Topics covered in this course are: beginner stage, Adobe softwares, Adobe Illustrator basics, Adobe Photoshop, graphic design advanced level, Adobe Dimension, printing technologies, troubleshooting, handling customers, career as freelance graphic designer. You will gain knowledge about graphic designing fundamentals. You will be able to work with both print-based designing and web-based designing. You will be able to start your career as a freelance graphic designer. You will become a master in managing clients. You will learn advanced design controls. This course is for anyone who wants to learn graphic designing and choose it as a profession. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, The Complete Graphic Design Theory for Beginners course by Udemy. This course provides the basic principles along with the theory of graphic designing. Topics covered in this course are: theory for beginners, how to become graphic designer, color theory, typography theory, simple social media graphic, photography theory, layout theory, logo design, and branding, properly using photos and fonts, design trends 2022, 2021, 2020. You will get a major overview of common graphic designing principles and practices. You will immediately be able to get a job. You will begin from the basics and reach expert level knowledge. You will learn about various yearly designing trends. You will get a step-by-step procedure of becoming a graphic designer. This course is for anyone, especially for beginners, who are interested in graphic designing theory. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Beginner's Guide to Graphic Designing by YouTube, free course. This is a versatile course which provides you a lot of content related to graphic designing. Topics covered in this course are: what is graphic designing, line visual element, color visual element, shape visual element, texture visual element, space visual element, typography visual element, contrast designing principle, hierarchy designing principle, alignment designing principle, balance designing principle, proximity designing principle, repetition designing principle, should I do graphic designing, practical skills. You are getting quality content for free. You will be able to learn graphic designing from basic to advanced level. You will learn the basic key terminology. You will understand various principles and elements of graphic designing. You can build the foundation for your graphic designing career. This course is for anyone who is interested in graphic designing and considering becoming a graphic designer. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about video editing, click on the I button. 7th course, Learn Graphic Design by Alison, free course. This course teaches you the skill of graphic designing from basics to advanced level with course completion certificates. Topics covered in this course are graphic designing introduction, graphic designing history, graphic designing process, graphic designing elements, course assessment. You will learn about the main features of graphic designing. You can highlight the use of graphic design elements. You can outline the key content. You will learn about the effect of the Industrial Revolution on graphic designing. You will learn the techniques of graphic designing. This course is for anyone who wants to learn the art of graphic designing for free. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.